Hey everyone, Andy, welcome back to my channel. If you've been looking for a simple, natural, and super effective way to kickstart your weight loss journey, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing my absolute favorite recipe for a powerful weight loss juice. This isn't just delicious, it's refreshing, and it's incredibly easy to make. So, if you're ready to feel lighter, healthier, and more energized, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's get blending. Alright, let's talk about our superstar ingredients. For this fat-burning elixir, you'll need just a few simple things. 1 crisp cucumber, 2 tangy green apples, 1 bright lemon, a small piece of zesty ginger, a generous handful of fresh mint leaves, and about 1 cup of water. Each of these ingredients plays a crucial role. Cucumbers are hydrating and low in calories. Green apples are packed with fiber. Lemon helps detoxify your system. Ginger is a metabolic powerhouse. And mint aids digestion. Together, they create a synergy that's fantastic for your health goals. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. The most important step is to give everything a thorough wash. We want all the goodness, and none of the dirt. Once they're clean, we'll start chopping. Take your cucumber and apples and cut them into small, manageable chunks. You don't need to be precise, just small enough for your blender to handle. Now, for the ginger, go ahead and peel off the skin. Then, grab your lemon and squeeze out all the glorious juice. Finally, have your fresh mint leaves ready to go. The aroma alone is so invigorating. Now for the easiest part. Grab your blender and let's load it up. Add in your chopped cucumber and apple pieces, the peeled ginger, that lovely handful of mint, and pour in the fresh lemon juice. Finally, add 1 cup of water. Put the lid on tight, and blend everything together until it's completely smooth and you have this beautiful, vibrant green liquid. It should only take a minute or so. Once it's blended, I like to strain the juice to get rid of the pulp for a smoother texture. But if you like the extra fiber, feel free to skip this step. It's totally up to you. And there you have it. Your delicious, refreshing, and incredibly healthy fat-burning juice is ready to drink. Just look at that gorgeous color. This juice is an amazing way to start your day. It's loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that reduce bloating, boost your metabolism, and support your weight loss journey naturally. For the best results, I recommend drinking a glass first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows your body to absorb all the nutrients efficiently and gets your metabolism firing on all cylinders for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and that it helps you on your path to feeling your absolute best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more healthy tips and recipes. I love hearing from you, so leave a comment below if you try it. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. See you in the next video.